Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are watching this, I'm pretty much still in 2025. I'm not sure if I'm gonna drop this before 2025 ends or after it, but I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone that supported the channel for the year. We did amazing. We did a lot of cool stuff, a lot of not so cool stuff, but yeah, it was a good year. I want to show you guys something before I actually go to work. I'm on my way to work actually, so I'm not sure how much of this you guys can hear, but Penelope has another leak again, and my neighbor has this thing. This is so random, bro. This is like, it's a MX-5, otherwise known as a Miata. I don't know what year or what spec this is, it's like what chassis it is, but it's a pretty cool thing. They're trying to get this thing together, not gonna lie. It's been down bad. I think it's on 17s. No side mirrors. They're also trying to fix the roof or whatnot, but yeah, that thing is leaking. I might need to fix that, and also we're back on the spare wheel, which I don't like, but at least it's there. One got and my number plate's off, as you guys can see there. Number plate is off as well. Penelope is down bad. The girl is down bad. So I don't know what most of this video is going to be like. I think this is just me trying to fix the car. As much as you see, the left rear tire has a screw in it somehow. I don't know how, but it has a screw in it, so I have to fix that eventually. The exhaust is leaking crazy again. It's been leaking for some time, but I have to fix it now. And I need to get the number plate back on the car. So let's just see where this video goes. Let's see what's the vibes, and it's end of 2025 on a high note. So yeah, I'll check you when I check you. Yo, what's up gang, welcome back to another video. Compliments of the new year. When I started this video, it was 2025. It's 2026 now. So compliments to everyone, and thank you so much for supporting me in 2025. It was a relatively successful year. I think we did good, and yeah, let's see what 2026 brings. So for today, we're going to be continuing where I left off on the previous clips, and we're actually going to be repairing one of the tires. So there's a lot of controversy on how I'm going to do it, but controversy sells. I'm probably going to make this fixing my car for under 100 Rand or something again. I don't know. That video popped up really good. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I'll link it down somewhere so you can go check it out. This is also me trying out the new phone. So let me know if the quality is better or worse, or just let me know what your feedback on that. But let me show you what we're getting into today. So as you guys have seen in the previous clip, I am on the spare wheel right now. Because this wheel has a slow puncture and it's right there. So yeah, so we're gonna be removing that, and we're gonna be fixing it with a relatively old school way of fixing tires. We are going to be using this to fix up the tire. Now, I've only previously done this or seen this being done on like my Opus Plus bucky. But this is a really old school way, and most people that repair tires use this kind of thing. It's this tubeless tire repair kit. A lot of you guys know what this is. This is going to be my first time actually using this to fix a tire. Previously, I did patch up a few of Penelope's old tires, and they did this. And I was just like, this is 51 bucks to buy, and getting someone else to do it is going to cost me 50 bucks, and I have 3 of these things to use. However, it's very important to note that you don't use this if the puncturing of the slow puncture, whatever, happens on the outside walls or on the walls itself and on the inner side of the walls itself. Only do it within the middle thread or the middle section, which this one is very comfortably in that. So this is why I'm going to be opting for this. Yeah, let's see what the vibes are. And the car is freak dirty, as you guys can check right there. Subscribe. I think that's how you spell subscribe. Yeah, car's freak dirty. But I'm only going to clean the car once I put this wheel back on and once I get all of that done. So yeah, let's stay tuned and see what happens and check what's the vibes. Also, I wanted to mention I made some really good progress on Penelope's wipers. So if you guys are not familiar, it's been like, I think my wipers went in July 2024, and then it's just been a struggle to get them fixed. I got the wiper motor to work not last week, the week before that, but now it seems like the arms are a bit jammed up, so I'm going to be looking to maybe get some time to see if I can get the arms loosened so that they can actually work. But I'm actually really excited that the motor works, because the motor was the issue first, but now because the arms being in the car so long, yeah, I'll show you guys on that video. But yeah, I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse while I do all of this. I'm not going to really explain it because it's pretty self-explanatory. Or pop a photo on the instructions on how to do it. Yeah, but it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, and yeah, catch you in the next clip.
You kill on the man who the hating I take a minute, I can fly. Take a minute, I can take a fly. Let's go. I can take a minute off E. I can take a minute off E. Baby, baby, you don't sucking on me. Baby, don't hate on me. Let's go. Baby girl, you kill on the man who the hating I take a minute, I can fly. Take a minute, I can take a fly. Let's go. I can take a minute off E. I can take a minute off E. Baby, baby, you don't sucking on me. Baby, don't hate on me. Let's go.
So at this point, you guys can see I am freely spinning this back wheel, the left rear wheel, but the handbrake is fully up. I actually saw this the other day when I was putting on the spare wheel. I think that caliper just might be stuck and it's not holding it, hence why my handbrake doesn't work. It hasn't been working for time. As you guys can see, I'm still spinning. Yeah, so got it off eventually. It was fighting me, but we move.
So this is a whole different day. Your bra was busy trying to fix up the exhaust in questionable ways. Don't ask how I did it, don't ask what that was, just know I got it done. Then we moved on to something I've been wanting to do for a time, and that was the service. Not the service, but changing the oil. Yeah, but I was fighting this bolt. As you guys can see, it's completely smoothed out. I was fighting this thing with a grinder and a hammer, but we prevail. You can see I'm so happy in this shot right here, because I've been fighting that thing for 3 hours, but it's fine. Just checking out the two oil filters. As the old one, bit crusty but old, but yeah, it's just cool to see the difference in how the brand changed over time, but it's the same thing. Managed to not fight that one at least, and got to put it in very much like then word to the wise, just put a bit of oil on the oil filter before you put it back in. This is just good measure, just to make sure that the thing seals. It comes off easily. Then your bra saw that the two sump bolts don't even match, bruh, the drain plug bolts. So what did I do? I put in the one I was fighting the whole time, and I just put it right back in, and I can confirm there are no leaks on that thing. But it came out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the outcome of everything. Got to pour in the new oil, as you guys can see. Oh, nice, with minimum spillage.
And we are back. Please mind my eye. Been fighting demons for the past 2 days. But yeah, we're back. So just to pick up where we last were on the video, you guys saw I did the oil service on the car. I've been wanting to do that for time, and I finally got around to finishing that up. Then we also did a patch up on the exhaust. It sounds a bit better, but it's still a bit crap. So we're gonna be moving on to the next part of whatever the series is, and today we are gonna be working on Penelope's bumper. Yeah, we're gonna be working on the bumper. Actually just trying to get it to fit and look a bit better. I am gonna be trying fixing up these grills because the bottom grill, if you guys cannot see there, is kind of misaligned and it's not really together. It's broken, it's a bit janky. I'm gonna see if I can get this to fit better, and then we're also gonna be addressing needing to do some touch-ups on some parts of the car. Yeah, so that's the memo for today. I'll put you guys on another time lapse and cinematics for all of this, and I'll speak on the point of this whole video. And just like that, ladies and gents, we are done. You are catching your boy at work again. But what is new? So in this video, so the back half of it, I tried to fix the bottom grills. Ended up leaving that because it's still broken and there's too much missing for me to really like fix it and to make it look better. But I am gonna be hitting it with some black rattle can, and then I also gonna hit the wipers with that. I tried to get the wiper mechanism, the arm itself, to move. Didn't want to move, so I didn't feel like forcing it and then breaking it and then having to find another one. So I'll tackle that some other day. And just did some touch-ups on the bumper, which came out really cool. The car looks a lot better. So yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome. This whole video, the point of this video was just not making excuses and just trying to do the most with what I can and what I have. I felt like last year what stopped me a lot with making content was just the excuses of I don't have the right materials, I don't have enough time, I don't have this. Instead of having, I wanted to have the ideal conditions to do it, and then I ended up not doing it anyway, and then it just backlog. So I'm super excited for the car. I'm really happy with the work we did in this video. It was kind of a long video. I don't know if you guys like this content. I tried to talk as little as I can so you can have as much content to watch and not just hear me. But yeah, it came out pretty cool. I'm happy with it. If you did like this video, please do subscribe. Do hit a like on this. It really helps push the videos out, and let's see what 2026 has to bring. Let's see what we do for the year. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.